like there's no tomorrow.
Have you heard the expression, your health is your wealth? The thing about life is that it's not guaranteed to us, right? We have to earn our good life by taking care of our bodies. So often we just seem to get in our own way when it comes to our health. You may be battling weight or digestive issues or chronic pain, or perhaps it's more difficult to pin down, like your challenge to rise above self-sabotage or isolation. Whatever path your life takes though, the journey is yours. No matter what the cause of your difficulty is, you can start to create a new life simply by addressing your health. Really, anyone can live better, but only if they have the right tools, right? You can be stronger and become re-energized so fast because you play a vital role here, and the universe just needs you. When you discover how to reclaim your health and begin to gain some momentum, it's like you re-enter the flow of life instead of struggling against it. Please let me help you. Let me help you make that next first step forward. Each module in my masterclass is easy to absorb video training with powerful worksheets and bonuses to fast track what you do. There are 5 powerful video classes and workbooks, and now a bonus 6th module on GERD to specifically address digestive health. Just in the nutrition module, there are 10 tools and guides, plus a food diary and recipe book. There are strength training guides, basic yoga and balance exercise guides, meditation techniques, and a resource guide, vision board resource, and a bucket list guide, stress and anxiety relaxation techniques, and 30 ways to get out of your comfort zone, plus an entire module on GERD and digestion. This is your one-stop start or restart to claim your health and your life. Namaste.
I actually just turned 51 3 days ago. 3 days ago was the 51st birthday. 51st birthday. So here I am. Middle school. That's when I noticed that I was like a size 5 one day. And then next thing I know, I was up to an 11. The yo-yo effect stayed with me throughout my whole life. It's been my love-hate relationship with myself. Now what I do is I take my lunch to work, my snacks to work, my salads or some chicken or, yogurt, bananas. I don't feel that bleh when I'm working. I feel great while I'm at work. With the masterclass, this has really helped me to lose a lot of depression. I want to get out of bed now. I want to face my world. I like it because now I have more friends, better friends. I really didn't have a whole lot of expectations because of the fact that I was in such a dark place, and I really like exercising. Who would have thought? I like the way Dr. Nandy speaks. I like the way he speaks to you in medical terms and in non-medical terms. With Dr. Nandy's help, I was able to incorporate so many cool things in my life that I love my change.
Over 9 years, I gained about 7-8 pounds a year. And it got easy. It got easy to sit on the couch, and it got easy to move from the dinner table to the couch to back to the kitchen. It was always quick fix, lose the weight, and then it would just, it would just come back. I want to feel happy. I want to feel good in my own skin. At 51, I'm tempting fate.
Since I've been on this, trying to become my own health hero with the help of Dr. Nandy, I'm down about 15 pounds. I'm feeling great. I'm eating organic foods. I'm going to the gym.
Everyone deserves to find the better person that's inside of them. I like that I don't make excuses anymore. Just feel centered. Like, I feel like I've taken back my life again.
I was pretty miserable a couple of years ago. I was just coming home, watching TV, eating my dinner, going to sleep, get up and go to work, and do that every single day. Why do I feel like this? I don't care about men. I don't care about theater, which is like my love. You know, like theater music I don't even want to hear the radio. That's how bad it was. And I thought, well, if this is how it's going to go, I better do something about this. This is not okay.
Today, I'm like gung-ho about going to the gym, and I'm feeling pretty good because this is a little loose on me from when I first got it. I was like dying in this, and now I'm like, oh, this is kind of loose. I have to keep hiking it up. So I'm really excited about that.
I was able to change my attitude towards exercise and getting out in the world. Having learned all these things, I feel so hopeful that my fate isn't written in stone. And I'm so grateful to have learned so much from Dr. Nandi. It's like little bitty steps for really big results. It's just like, I keep saying that over and over. I've been able to prioritize sleep and meditation in order to be able to do all the other stuff that I need to do. I didn't never see the pattern before until we started doing this project. And it's amazing what you discover about yourself. I didn't think this was going to have such a big impact on me. I really didn't. So it's just that extra motivation. I have not had that in years. Like my own self-motivation like that. I've not had that in years.
Dance like there's no tomorrow.